Hello, my name is George from the Online Information Literacy Design Center, and today we will be going through a tutorial of Sony Vegas. The first step will be opening the Sony Vegas software. Click on the shortcut to get started and the Vegas Pro 10 window will open. First, we're going to learn how to correctly capture video from your camera to the computer. From here, you're going to click File in the left-hand corner, then scroll down and find the Capture Video button. A pop-up box will open. Go ahead and click the OK button, and then the Sony Vegas Capture window will open. The import wizard opens automatically, and go ahead and click Cancel on that. After this, Sony will then ask you to type a file name in order to label your videos. So go ahead and type in whatever you want to name your file and click the OK button. Next, we're going to have to go to the Option menu at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select Preferences. Once the window appears, go ahead and select the Disk Management tab at the top of your screen. Once you select that, you are going to choose where your imported video files will be saved. So click on the Add folder and browse to the location. In this case, we are going to want to use the D drive, or else your project will not save. Select the D drive, make a folder with your name, and click the OK button, and then uncheck the C box. That way we will not save to the C drive. Click Apply, then OK. At this point, you are now ready to capture video. You should have the camera in the VCR mode and set to play, and the video should be queued up at the point where you would like to start capturing. Click the Capture Video button. Your video will then play. When you have finished capturing everything that you need, go ahead and select the Stop button. Once you've done that, a window will appear with all of the information of the capture. Go ahead and select Done. And then once we are finished with that, we can go ahead and close the video capture window. As you can see, your imported video file is now in the Project Media window. Go ahead and drag that file to the timeline and click and hold on the current time indicator. You can use this to scrub through your footage, and by pressing the S key, you can split footage where the marker is located, or the current time indicator. The Split or S tool is useful for cutting out pieces of footage that are not wanted. You can simply select the footage at the beginning and end, and then delete the chunk that you do not want to keep. As you can see, the two clips are now entirely independent from one another. Select the audio track. In this part of the tutorial, we will now show you how to add and edit an audio envelope. This is going to control the overall sound and volume of your video. First, select the Insert menu item at the top of your screen, making sure that the audio track that you want to edit is selected. Select the Volume menu located in the Audio Envelope section. Go ahead and double-click on the new audio envelope. This is represented by the blue line you see on the screen. And this will create a point on the line wherever you click, and you can use that point to drag and change your volume levels. Dragging the point up will increase your volume, and vice versa. Pulling it down will decrease your audio. In the next part of this tutorial, we will show you how to add transitions in between video clips. And you can see all of the options that you have. Put your video clips right next to each other and browse through the transitions and find the one that you want to use. You're going to drag that transition right in between the video clips, as you see here. And then a Video Event Effects window will open with the parameters of the effect. After you've set everything to the way you want it, go ahead and click the Close button. Next, we will show you how to add text to your video or text media. Go down to the track panel, right-click, and select the Insert Video Track menu item. After you've done this, go ahead and rename the track by double-clicking the track name box to Text. This will help you to distinguish your text from your video track. Select the Media Generators tab at the top, and then select Text Item. go ahead and select a text preset from the ones you see. And keep in mind that all of the text media that you see with a checkered background is transparent and only the text will show using these text presets. Once you've chosen the text preset that you would like to use, click and drag it down to the text track that we created earlier. A window will appear and you will replace the text that you would like to show up overlaid on your video. As you can see, the text is shown in the preview window at the place of your marker. And when everything looks okay, go ahead and click the close button on the window. The final and most important part of this tutorial is saving your project. And note that whenever you save a project that it does not complete a final video, but it rather saves the work that you've already completed. In order to do this, go ahead to the File menu item and select Save As. Once you've done this, a Save As window will appear. And you're going to go down to the File Name text box and type in the name of your project. Click the drop-down arrow. And we're going to save this project to the D drive. Go ahead and select Save. And you have now saved your project successfully. This last part of the tutorial will show you how to render out your project, which means that you are creating a video file from your completed project. In order to render your file, you go to the File menu item and select Render As. Once you do this, a window will appear, and you will click the drop-down menu and once again select the D drive. Once you have selected the D drive, name the file in the File Name text box. And when you are finished typing that out, go ahead and click the Save button. A progress indicator will come up showing you how long is left until the rendering process is complete. And your completed video file will be available on the D drive. I'd like to thank you for watching this tutorial of Sony Vegas. If you have any questions or need more information, you can always visit the Online Information Literacy Design Center, which is located on the first floor of the Stapleton Library. Thank you for watching once again, and we hope to see you soon.